In the previous class, we explained the topic parts of crop plants. The part of crop plants can be classified in two types: the shoot system and root system. The shoot system consists of fruits, flowers, and many more. The root system consists of root or root hair. In today's class we will explaining the topic, uses of plant. Plant can be used for the following things. It is used for food for people. For example, maize, rice, beans, and yam, etc. It is used for medicinal uses. For example, garlic, ginger, lemon and lime orange, etc. It is used for building. It is used to make money if it is sold. For example, cocoa and many more, etc. Plants is very useful to human beings and animals. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.